So again, I know I've said this several times, but your first go-to channel is Region D, IO call. Some agencies have put it in their preset buttons. That's up to you, you know. But if you're traveling quite a bit outside of your area where you would need, if you did have an emergency, you would need this. Sometimes a preset button is easy to go to. Also, I just put an example there. If you're heading over to Greene County, you could just say Reynoldsville Fire to Greene County, Region D, IO call, and use it as administrative. Or if you also have an emergency, you can use the same format. So if you're in Greene County, you have an emergency, you can just get on there and call Greene County. Okay, when you push the push to talk, just wait for the chirp. Again, less than a second. They do say that if you start talking before you hear the chirp, no one's going to hear you, it doesn't go out, but really it's, like I said, less than a second, so I know you'll wait for the chirp before you speak anyway. But long block just means you're out of range for that channel. If you're out a ways from the Reddings Mill area, just know what your next go-to channel would be. Just make it a habit to know. So if you do get that long bonk, you know what to switch to. Short bonk means the channel's busy. As soon as someone stops talking, you'll get that chirp. You can go ahead and start talking. 3 bonks just means the system's busy. As soon as frequency is available to allocate from that tower side, you'll get it, and you can go ahead and start talking. Emergency button again, 2 to 3 seconds to activate. Your radio will beep, your screen goes to emergency. You're the only one that can reset it, 4 to 5 seconds to reset. You'll also hear a beep and your screen goes back to normal. So just remember that except for the travel channels, all your talk groups, all your channels are geographic dependent. I know it's kind of quick, but do you guys have any questions about anything?
You said the accessory charging ports and stuff can interfere with the signal and we need to be aware of it. Is there any workaround? Is there any grounding issues? Is there any workaround to prevent that besides not using them?
I can't tell you for sure. It took, when we started using chargers as patrol cars, it took us a good year to get rid of all the grounding issues, things like that, the loss of signal strength. They had to figure different configurations to try. So there may be a solution, but it may not be a quick solution for you. But I would, whoever installed the radios, if you're having a problem, you may turn to them and see if they have a solution.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. And Tyler or Ronnie, if you can send me a list of everybody that attended, then I'll get certificates out. And the only reason I mentioned this is because of one of my last classes. The list they sent me was a sign-in sheet where everybody's signature was on there. Couldn't make out half of them. So if it's something legible that I can get their name, I'd appreciate it. And then as soon as I receive that, Christy will turn your talk groups on.
Yeah, I'll email those names shortly.
Understood.
Awesome. Okay. Again, thank you guys for being here. I know you guys are busy, so thank you.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
No problem.